Hello and welcome to MSI. So, ngayon gagawa lang tayo ng short video on ano yung mga pwede nating i-expect sa bagong MSI X.1. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo ngayon, meron tayong mga bagong colors na incorporate sa ating chart. And at the same time, pwede nyo na rin i-personalize yan by changing the colors here. Okay, so yung mga traders na gusto ng white colors can already view their chart with a white background chart. You can do that by changing the colors here, or you can put any preferred color na gusto mo para maging mas personalized yung approach. Same time, you can change this also. Pwede mong, let's say, palitan niya ng white background din. Okay. If you think na medyo light yung kulay, you can change it to black. You can change the other result to black also. There. So, meron ka ng white na chart from MSI. Okay, so let me just put that back. So, yung isa pang papakita natin ngayon is papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-work yung MSI using a watch list. So, kailangan natin gawin is we have to create a watch list first. Tomorrow we'll start the Investa Cup. So I think this is a good time para i-discuss to, para magamit ng mga MSI users kung paano gawin yung ating watch list. So in order for you to create a watch list, you have to go to symbols and go to watch list and click on new watch list. Tapos lagay nyo lang yung pangalan. So sabihin natin Investa Trading Cup 3. Okay. So once na meron na tayo niyan, kailangan nating kunin yung list ng Investa stocks na pwedeng i-trade. Okay? So, meron akong ginawa kahapon. So, ito siya. So, kailangan yung gawin para sa watchlist nyo, kailangan nyo yung stock name, tapos separate nyo siya with a comma. Okay? So, pag nagawa nyo na yan, copy nyo lang siya, and then go to your AMI broker, go to symbols again, go to watch list, and then type in symbols. Type in symbols, piliin nyo yung create na, yung ginawa natin na watch list kanina. Click on OK. And then here, i-paste nyo lang yung symbols from the Investa list. And then click on OK. So ngayon, meron na tayong Investa watch list. So how to apply that is you go to filter, you go to watch list Investa Cup 3. Okay. And then click on explore. Okay. So based sa result ng screener na sinet ko with our new MSI, ito yung mga possible na trade ko stocks in the coming week or this coming Monday. Okay, so what I have to do now is I have to go to the chart and put my trading plans for each and every stock. So again, we have FB, MRC, PXP, and VUL. So let me start with FB. Okay, so sa bagong MSI natin, pwede na tayong maglagay ng personalized trend lines. You can have 3 trend lines which can be set for your cut loss, your buy point, and your sell point. Okay, so this one, ilagay natin siya as yellow color and make it thicker line. So this is going to be our stop loss, and this one will be our buy point. Okay, so this will be a breakout play. So this is the support line, which will be our buy point, and the next one will be the resistance kung saan tayo magbebenta. Okay, we'll keep that as red and resistance. Okay, so yung trading plan dito is dito tayo bibili sa breakout ng breakout na itong part na to, and then we're going to be setting our cut loss, our stop loss here at this level, and then our sell price is at this level. Okay, so is there a tradable range? Let's see. We have 7%. Yes, there is a tradable range. Okay, so we'll mark that 7% just to keep us with our track of our sa trade natin. Okay, so the next one is MRC. So MRC, let's see, ano pwede dito? MRC, yun. Okay, so we have a tradable range. Say here to here, 23.47. So it's 23.47%. Okay, so that's one. Pwede rin dito. See here. Okay, so kita natin nag-breakout siya sa panibag, sa upper box, no? So pwede tayo ditong mag-buy on, let's say buy on support ng area to. So again, let's put 3 trend lines. Then kailangan natin siya set sa colors. Set natin siya yellow. This will be the support, the stop loss. This will be the support kung saan tayo bibili. Okay, and this will be the resistance saan tayo magbebenta. Okay, so yung stop loss area natin will be the ito natin, medyo mababa sa DB50. Okay, tapos bibili tayo dito sa area to, or let's put it here dito. Abang tayo ng konti, baka mag-pull back pa. Otherwise, kung hindi siya bumaba dyan, maximum buy point natin is around 5%. Yan, yung range na yan. Okay, anything more than 5%, hindi na tayo bibili doon. So, yan yung trading plan ko. So, and lagyan natin ng sell point here, or your take profit. Okay, so next one will be MRC PXP. Baba, PXP. PXP. So sa PXP naman, meron siyang gap. So dito yung can set our buy here near the gap. And then our stop loss, medyo dito natin sa part na ito yung stop loss. Hulog siya dyan. And yung ating target price is dito muna. At 17. Okay, so again, let's change the colors to yellow, stop. This is where we will be buying sa support, and our sell point, our resistance. Okay, and we have a tradable range. Lagyan natin ng mark para hindi tayo mawala, para matandaan natin yung ating target. This is yung tradable range natin, 11.9%. 11.9%. Okay. Then our last stock on our watch list is VUL. So sa VUL, dito natin yung ating stop loss. Sa area yan. And dito yung sell point natin. And saan tayo bibili? Dito tayo bibili. Yan, dyan tayo bibili. Tingnan natin kung mayroon ba itong tradable range. Kung maliit. Nearly 5%. Sige, taas natin dito. Baka kasi hindi tumuloy dun eh. Pero ito talaga yung tatargetin natin. Pwede rin naman dun. So that's 8.82%. Okay, so set ulit natin yung stop loss, yung support, and yung ating resistance. Okay, so sabi ko nga, this is a new feature na meron yung bagong MSI X.1. We can open the analysis tab with our trend alert and set it to current date. Let's say for this example, gagawin ko lang yung range from September 1 to September 21. Pero bukas ilalagay ko lang siya sa current trading day para magbigay siya sa akin ng alert kung matatamaan ba yung mga lines na yan. Okay? So, gawin natin ngayon. Check lang natin to. Okay. Okay. So ngayon, gagawin natin para makita natin siya side by side habang nag-chart tayo. We can go to window and tile vertical. Okay? So nakita nyo ngayon, side by side na yung ating analysis and yung ating chart. Then you can set this to 5 minutes auto repeat para every 5 minutes magra-run siya. Then you can click on explore. Okay, so nakita nyo yung result dito nung September 10 on FB, meron siyang buy signal. And then this one is telling you na the cut loss levels have been hit. BUL also merong buy on 21. Okay. And on 19. Okay. So this is the chart ng VUL. Makikita nyo na-hit siya on that day. Tinamaan yung 24. Kaya nagkaroon ng buy signal. Okay. So that's a quick review kung ano yung pwede nyo i-expect sa new MSI. Again, good luck to the Investa Cup for all na sasali, and have a great day.